Oppo Watch S launches with a slim design, military-grade durability. The Oppo Watch S is crafted for comfort. Remarkably thin at just 8.9 millimeters, it's a statement of style that never weighs you down. See everything clearly, even in full sun, thanks to its brilliant 3000 nits AMOLED display. Prioritize your well-being with flagship health monitoring, featuring a built-in ECG sensor for on-demand heart analysis and a skin temperature sensor for deeper insights into your recovery. Oppo Watch S, a wearable measuring just 8.9 millimeters thick and weighing only 35 grams. It's a non-Wear OS smartwatch running on ColorOS Watch 7.1 with 4 GB of eMMC storage. The display is a 1.4-inch AMOLED panel, which can reach up to 3000 nits of peak brightness when using Oppo's self-developed sports mode. Typical brightness sits at 600 nits with a 317 ppi density under a durable glass cover. The Oppo Watch S is also stuffed with health and wellness features. It includes a 16-channel blood oxygen sensor, an 8-channel heart rate sensor, ECG electrodes, and also a wrist temperature sensor. It can deliver a 60-second full-body checkup covering 13 health indicators, offering quick alerts if something looks off. The ECG app is certified as a Class 2 medical device in China. The watch can also monitor vascular health, sleep quality, including snoring and breathing patterns, and even stress levels. Oppo calls the Watch S the first AI sports coach, capable of analyzing your body's readiness by looking at factors like HRV during sleep and your last 7 days of workouts. It uses that data to suggest exercise plans and gives real-time guidance during runs, including pace and heart rate tracking. There's a professional running mode that analyzes running posture, maximum oxygen uptake, and lactate threshold. A separate fat-burning mode helps optimize workouts in the right heart rate zone. Inside, the watch is powered by the BS2800BP chip and supports dual-band GPS, L1 plus L5, with compatibility for Beidou, Galileo, GLONASS, and QZSS. It pairs over Bluetooth 5.2 with both Android 10 Plus and iOS 14 Plus devices. As for the battery life, Oppo claims up to 10 days of runtime, depending on settings. It can fully charge in under 90 minutes, and a quick 10-minute top-up gives you 24 hours of juice. It supports Alipay and WeChat Pay, Oppo's Fluid Cloud service for hailing rides or tracking deliveries, and even an upgraded Xiaobu Assistant DeepSeek version with memory features and voice car control. You can also connect it to 2 phones simultaneously. It comes in vibrant green, rhythmic silver, and racing black finishes, with stainless steel cases and fluoro rubber or woven straps depending on the model. The watch is also 5 ATM and IP68 rated, with military-grade durability. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.